Adaptive cruise control maintains a constant predetermined speed without the driver having to keep their foot on the accelerator. While radar camera systems will maintain a set distance from the car in front by automatically braking and accelerating as required. Herewith a quick guide on how to use your adaptive cruise control. Press the cruise control button to activate the system. Accelerate to your desired speed and push the set button. Your cruise control is now activated, and your vehicle will now maintain your desired speed as well as automatically maintaining a safe driving distance from the vehicle in front. You can adjust your desired cruising speed by either pushing the plus or minus buttons on the steering wheel. Press the cancel button or simply apply brake pressure to deactivate the cruise control system. Be sure to visit motus.cars for more vehicle tips and motoring advice.